Okay, we are here on day 4, and we know that on day 4 we are going to revisit the 3 words that we learned and discussed yesterday. And as a reminder, those words were Bliss, Valiant, and Revere. Which of yesterday's words do you think was the most interesting to talk about, and why? So which of these words do you find the most interesting? Okay, today what we're going to do, I'm going to give you guys time. I know that you have those sentences that are due, and you're going to be uploading those today. So while you're watching this video, we're actually going to include some time for you to complete that assignment. So you are going to create or write a complete sentence using each of these 3 vocabulary words. I know that you did that on Wednesday, and now we're going to finish with these 3 today. So the first word is bliss, and as a reminder, bliss refers to that great joy or complete happiness. So now I'm going to give you a moment, and I want you to write a complete sentence using the word bliss in your sentence. Okay. If you need more time, you can pause this video, but we're going to move on to the next word, and that word was valiant. Now remember, valiant refers to being very brave or courageous. Oftentimes, superheroes are referred to as being very valiant, right? So right now, I'm going to give you a moment, and I would like for you to write a complete sentence that uses the word valiant. Go ahead. Okay, if you need to pause the video, you can, if you need some more time to finish your sentence. And we are going to take a look at the last word, which was revere. And we know that that means that you greatly respect and admire. So it could be someone who you really look up to and you respect and admire. And right now, I would like for you to write a sentence using the word revere. Go ahead. If you need more time, you can pause this video, but your 3 sentences you wrote today, along with the 3 that you wrote on Wednesday, will be uploaded to the assignment today, which is Friday. If you have any questions or if you're having any trouble with this, please let me know.